Menteri Kenat Puli Putih Kejela Meghalaya Iba Lakmen Rumbui ila pentip baya ke Engineering College jong Kejela an sedang pentraino syen da ke baong ba ka jingpan jingbet naka AICTE bat kiwe ki agency kelaya Chakmat. Menteri ula angru ba ka sarkar Jela ka penkrek bandon no syen ila ka jong ke university. Halor kamat kabat yadai bat ke jing siu tulab yakin nohikai SSA iba rumbui ila ang ba insekren bat kiwe ki Menteri Kenat Puli Putih jong kari naka benta ka jing pentrekam ya ka skim Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan. Iba rembui iban yasim bentah ka jing yalang banwan jong ki Menteri Kenat Puli Putih ha Gujarat ila ang ba insekren bat kiwe ki Menteri jong Kenat naka benta ka jing yadbet jong jing siu ya ka tulab jong ki nohikai SSA.
And the process is on for session of post and application to AICTE. So this process is on. I hope that we will be able to complete the process subject to the approval of the regulatory authority, that means AICTE.
On the 1st and 2nd of June, there is a conference of education minister in Gandhinagar in Gujarat. So we will have, I will try to talk with the different, with other education minister, how to see that this issue of SSA could be streamlined.